Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. It's evening time and I came out, not we, my whole family came out to eat some evening snacks. I am eating chole bhature. As you can see, my actions, the food is very hot and I am unable to eat it because I can't eat very hot things. But still, it's so yummy. I love it. We're also going to do some shopping today.
3 hours later.
As you can see, this is a baby. It is still evening time, and there was a corn seller, and we wanted to eat corn, so that's why we stopped there. And this baby was so cute, and we had to take her. We took some photos with her also. And now we did some shopping, and we are heading home. We did like I bought clothes for my bunu also, for my ammu also, for my abu also, for everyone. We bought some winter clothes, some party wear, everything we bought. Now we are going home. After going home, I'm going to show you all the things that we buy.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league.
It took us a lot of time to reach home, so I don't think I'll be able to show you what we bought, but tomorrow morning, sure, I will show you. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Good morning. Yesterday we did a lot of shopping. You can see a lot of carry bags. And today we'll show you what we bought. We bought shoes for both of us and also dresses for my parents. Also a bag for my mom. Let's start with dresses. We bought her dresses also. Let's start with this bag on my right side. Now first we bought a t-shirt for my dad. The t-shirt. My abu likes white color, that's why we bought specially white color for him. And there is this
another hoodie
for you. So this is white and yellow. Yeah, yellow. This. She has a pocket in the middle. That's it in this bag. And also we bought a hoodie for my dad. This one that I'm wearing. I just showing you that one. This one we bought this for my dad, but I wore it. Anyway, I'll give him back. He will only wear it, but I just wore it to show you. You know, you can see it fine. There's also a cap at the back, but yeah. And in this one there is a bag
for my mom.
for my mom. She got this bag. This is like, I don't know, kind of pink. Nothing, it's just new. This bag we bought. Now let's move on to this one. In this one we have, I also bought something for me. First there is a jeans for my mom. Yeah, that's for my mom. Bought this jeans for my mom. I bought a plazo for myself. I'll show you. And I bought this plazo for myself.
In the color of sky blue.
No, yeah, kinda. And my mom also bought some dresses for her. She got some party wear. See. Oh, she got this dress. This is too big. Okay. No.
This is my mom's dress. It's so long. And it's a party wear. How is it? Comment it down.
That is done. Now let's move on to the shoes. This is hers. This is mine. Oh, first mine. I got a black shoe. Not shoe actually. Kind of like this. So I bought these.
I got shoes. I know. I know about shoes. What's this one? I brought this for myself.
She bought these shoes, so it's like she bought the buzz one. She has a buzz light right here. Yeah, it's like we bought it from Editor's. There's a buzz here. She liked this one. We bought it. And the last thing,
Candy. We brought candy for ourselves.
we bought candies. Candy. Got this. We bought lots of gummies, kind of, but less quantity. See, we bought these candies, more like gummies. That's all we did for yesterday's shopping for shoes, dresses, and also candies for ourselves. That's it. We did we bought only this much, but we did a lot of shopping yesterday. Because finding this much only took us a lot of time, and after that I had to study, so we returned home. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and then bye bye, ma
Bye,
salama.
Salama.